guys, Jeff here. It's next day, day 2. Hey guys, just leaving the campground here. It's about 3 miles back to the trail. Got a few hills to climb. See you at the trailhead. Hey guys, made that big climb out of the campsite there. It's a Dollar General store at the top of the hill there. So got the Dr. Pepper and the Reese's Sticks. Breakfast of Champions. See you at the Tunnel Hill Trailhead. Hey guys, made it here at the Tunnel Hill Trailhead. Not much different than the rest of them. Restrooms, water. That's about it, really. The tunnel's just right down that way. Let's go check it out. Rolling into Sandburn right after the tunnel there. Probably less than a quarter mile. Sandburn Junction. Stop here for a second. Hey guys, just crossed this big bridge here. This is one of the things that I really enjoy on these bike trails is the large bridges. We'll walk out here about halfway and look at it. That wood back there felt a little soft. Creek down here. creek. Pretty neat bridge. Hey guys, here at the river crossing. It's a trail that goes across Illinois here. I think from east to west or west to east. This is where it crosses the Tunnel Hill Trail. Hey guys, here at this sign that says Morse code telegraph station. I guess there used to be a station or something. I don't know, kind of a neat sign. I've never seen one. Hey guys, just made it in Vienna. I keep wanting to say Vienna because where I'm from in Missouri, we have a town close by that's Vienna, but this is Vienna. There's a trailhead here. We'll go check it out. Okay guys, here's the trailhead here, about like the rest of them. Water. This one seems to have maybe a welcoming center. There's a little wooden train over there. We'll go check it out. Here in Vienna, I'm gonna probably do a lunch stop. Okay guys, we're about halfway for the day, 15 and a half down, 15 and a half to go. I've seen a lot of neat stuff today for short mileage. Hey guys, passing through Foreman here. Nothing really here, I don't think. Probably like an old railroad ghost town. It's no longer there. Guess this is like a conservation hunting spot. All hunters must sign in, sign out, and report harvest. Hey guys, pulling into Belknap. Belknap? Yeah, I think that's how you pronounce it. I think it's an old railroad ghost town. There's a trailhead. I didn't expect to see that out here. We'll stop at it. No bathrooms and no water, it looked like. Hey guys, here's that bridge we just come across. Hey guys, pulled in the car in that trailhead here. Right up to the wetland center here in a second, and not ride the whole trail. Hey guys, made it here to the aquatic center. We'll check this place out for a little bit and head back to Karnak. Wetland Center, headed back to the Karnak where the campground is. See you there. Hey guys, back here in Karnak. Across the road is the campsite. There's up that way. There's what looks like used to be part of the trail. We got to go up and ride that too. But I'll catch up with you at the campground. guess you could say this is the end of the line. I guess you could say this is the end of the line for the creamsicle. Okay guys, made it to Main Brothers Campgrounds here. They got a self-registry. It's right behind me. $21 for electric. It's not too bad. Miles for the day, 31.5. See if I can go find me a campsite. Okay guys, I got this one. Looks pretty good. A little better than the last one. Last one didn't even have a picnic table. It should work good though. Got water over there. Electricity back there. Hey guys, I went over here to get some water. Turned it on and a bunch of brown stuff come out. So it's probably safe to say I should probably filter this.